Hello civil engineers, I welcome you all once again to this webinar series on civil engineering excellence. So friends, आज मैं आपको ये बताने वाला हूँ कि अभी तक मैंने टोटल 50 वीडियो अपलोड किए हैं यूट्यूब पे और मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको मेरे ये वीडियो पसंद आए होंगे. So almost I have tried to cover all the items which are required during execution for a building. Just for I have taken a building as an example to create all the activities. So right from survey of a building, then excavation, then how the foundations are cast, then about your plinth beam construction, columns, floor columns, floor beams, then slabs, intermediate slabs, roof slabs, all those things I have covered, particularly with respect to RCC. Then what are the precautions we need to take during overhead water tank construction. Then in addition to that, I have covered almost major finishing items like brickwork, plaster, both internal and external plaster, then flooring, public health items, doors, windows, etc. And my main focus was there particularly with respect to the waterproofing item, because waterproofing, it's a very important item of all our construction activities, and we see a lot of leakage problem nowadays. So I have given more emphasis on particularly on sunken floor waterproofing than terrace waterproofing. In addition to that, I have also covered some special topics like what are the precautions you need to take while using RMC, then what is green cutting of concrete, and what precautions you need to take during construction of say overhead water tank, high rise, elevated reservoir, those type of structures. In addition to that, the miscellaneous infrastructure items like construction of roads, then asphalting, surface drainage, then external sewer lines, external water supply, water storage tank, etc. Those topics also I have covered. See, there is no end to our construction topics, and I am going to cover more and more topics. But in between, our friends and subscribers have made me a request, sir, now why don't you talk something about contracts and how the contract is applicable at site, how it is interpreted at site, conditions are interpreted, and then how it is useful at site. So I am just switching over to the next video. From next video onwards, I am switching over to the contract and its execution at site. You can say it is like a project management partly, but I am not going into theoretical part, how these contract conditions are applicable and affecting the site activities. Mainly I will be talking to you on those topics from my next video onwards. So आपको मेरी ये सीरीज दोस्तों कैसी लगी मुझे कमेंट करके बताइए, और यदि पसंद आई है तो इसको आप शेयर करिए, लाइक करिए, फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करिए, so that you get more and more videos from next video onwards. Thanks for watching. Thank you.